All right, viewers. Now, over the last few weeks, we have witnessed the grief and rage of the people across the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Rajkot to Silchar. People from all walks of life have taken to the streets to demand the justice for the victim of the spine-chilling Kolkata rape and murder. Amid this furore, several other such cases have also made headlines, whether the sexual assault of two nursery students in Badlapur or the gang rape of 14-year-old girl in Nagaon and the rape and the murder of a nurse in Uttarakhand. All these are the recent incidents that have been reported in the year, when also various calls and various type of discussions and deliberations across the women's safety and more participation of women in the workforce is promoted. Amid the outrage, viewers, we take a moment to examine how to make sure that such dastardly crimes can be prevented. NewsX has proposed a 6-point plan in this regard. Our proposal has been endorsed and lauded by several eminent people, including West Bengal Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, IMA President R.V. Asokan, Advocate Seema Kushawa, who is Nirbhaya's lawyer, and Valerian Santos, the father of Keenan Santos. Meanwhile, support has also been pouring in for this campaign from across the country. Doctors, psychologists, celebrities have hailed this campaign. Now, let's listen in to what they have reacted of our campaign.
I fully support this NewsX campaign, which is to have the largest psychological study that has been started for the sexual predators in India. And I think it would actually help in the long run, because we are going to study and we are going to understand that how these guys think and what are the factors which influences them to create to do these kind of crimes.
I support NewsX campaign to have world's largest psychological study of sexual predators in India. I think such a scientific study will help build more accurate policies, understand the mindset of the perpetrator, and laws to prevent rapes and sexual assaults in the long run. These instances affect hundreds of women every day.
Definitely, I think this is an excellent idea, and we welcome this study which has been proposed for doing complete psychological profiling and addressing what drives a sexual predator to undertake these heinous crimes, and also what's required to prevent it.
I support the campaign of NewsX about the psychological study of the sexual predator, regarding the predators in the country. The study that is ongoing and that is anticipated to complete very soon, the study should also implement the stringent rules and regulations that especially the healthcare workers, especially the doctors that are been assaulted on the multiple times in a one day in a country. So until unless the rules and regulations don't come, the study won't be implemented on ground.
Yes, I support and appreciate the NewsX campaign to have started the world's largest psychological study of sexual predators in India. Definitely, a scientific study in this aspect is the need of the hour.
देखिए, इस तरह का जैसे जघन्य अपराध है, वो कोई नॉर्मल व्यक्ति द्वारा करा हुआ तो नहीं लग रहा। अच्छा, ये भी ज़रूर है कि कोई ना कोई इसको मानसिक बीमारी, जैसे हमारे यहाँ स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया, शिज़ोअफेक्टिव डिसऑर्डर या बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर इस तरीके से होते हैं, जिसमें कि बहुत ज़्यादा उग्र आदमी हो जाता है और बहुत वायलेंट हो सकता है।
तो जिस राय ने किया था, ये तो एक बीमारी थी इसके अंदर, क्योंकि ये रेड लाइट एरिया में भी जाता था, शराब ड्रग्स भी लेता था ये, और इसकी जो मोबाइल के अंदर जो फिल्म्स मिली हैं, एडल्ट फिल्म्स मिली हैं, उससे तो ये लगता है कि ये विकृत, इसकी जो दिमाग की स्थिति थी बहुत विकृत थी। वो he was a जानवर type of person.
See, this is very unfortunate incident. Rape as such is a very heinous crime. Rape as such, whether it's done to a doctor or a non-doctor or a journal or a housewife, rape as such is very heinous. In this particular incident, now the way the things are coming up to, the information is peeping in, it looks like it was a conspiracy. It was a conspiracy to kill that particular doctor. Because there were so many lacunas in the investigation. As the Supreme Court also pointed out, that the reporting of the crime was delayed. And then the injury marks on that particular doctor's body must have been inflicted by many people. It cannot be done by a single person. So it is a very unfortunate.
हमारे उत्तराखंड में भी बस में ये रेप की घटना हुई, उस समय भी उत्तरकाशी में रेप की घटना हुई थी। अब मन ऐसा होता है कि इसमें जो है सरकारें हो चाहे कोई भी है, जब आपको पता है कि रेप हो रहा है, इस प्रकार से एक्शन लेने में बहुत ही टाइम लगाते हैं और उन बलात्कारियों को जो है बहुत छूट दी जाती है, जबकि ये होना चाहिए कि बलात्कारियों को सीधा फांसी की सजा या उनको जनता के पास छोड़ देना चाहिए। तो लेकिन इस प्रकार के फैसले हमारे पास नहीं होते हैं। इस प्रकार से फिर जो हमारे जो वहाँ के राजनेता जो बना रखे हैं, जो वहाँ चला रहे हैं सरकार को, उस पे ही उंगली उठती है कि जब यहाँ का मुखिया ही ऐसा कर रहा है, मुखिया ही इनको पनाह दे रहा है, मुखिया ही इन्हें सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इसमें कोई एक्शन ही नहीं ले रहा है, तो उसमें फिर एक क्या करता है, कलाकार के क्या अंदर से आवाज आती है, तो कुछ ना कुछ लिखना पड़ता है।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.